Hello, may I speak with the manager of Jaya Constructions in Berhad?
Yes, hello, I am speaking. Who is this?
I am Aina, as a representative of Cempaka resident. Um, I want to make a complaint about the activity of the construction site.
Yes, sure. May I know what the problem is?
First, I want to complain about the pollution that construction have made.
As far as I know, the housing area is quite far away from the construction site, so it is impossible the pollution to occur.
But miss, the pollution still occur at my housing area.
May I know what the pollution is?
Yes, miss. The dust from the sand truck that coming out and in from the construction site.
Oh, I see. Is there anything else?
Yes, miss. The eyesight of the nearby people also limited due to this haze, caused by the dust. The safety of the nearby people also, you know, is also a fact.
How that possible?
Do you know, the children like to play at nearby playground, so they need to cross the road, the same road that sand truck use, so they will affect to the children's safety.
Oh, oh, I see.
Yes, miss. Last week, my daughter almost get hit by the truck. I'm so lucky, you know, because one of my neighbor noticed her and quickly grabbed her.
Oh, madam, I am so sorry about the accident.
Sorry, miss, your sorry is not enough. Maybe after this, it can make someone die or any things. Oh,
Yes, I am truly sorry. It is out of my control.
I'm begging to you, miss, please take action to overcome all of this. If there's no action taken, this thing get this thing might get worse.
Yes, madam, I will try my best to overcome this problem.
We, people of the Chempaka resident, will give your company 1 month to solve this problem. If there is still no action taken in this time given, we will bring this case to the court.
Yes, madam, we are truly sorry. We will do our best. Just give us some time and do not bring this issue to the court. It might affect our company's name.
Like I said just now, solve this problem in 1 month or we will see in court.
Yes, madam. Again, we are truly sorry and try to solve this issue.
Okay then, make sure in 1 month your company will settle down all of this problem.
Thank you again, madam.
You are welcome.